After descending the ride 60 foot long, we remain seated until the boat is all the way into the station. Just a reminder that line jumping is prohibited. If you leave the line for any reason, you may only re-enter the line. Also, if you finish short and shoes, must be worn